French investigating magistrates have issued an international arrest warrant against Bashar al-Assad. This is one of 14 warrants issued against high-ranking officials of the former regime. The killing of 59-year-old French-Syrian national Salah Abu Naboud in June 2017 led his son Omar Abu Naboud to file a complaint in French justice. Clemence Bakhtarteh, a lawyer representing Syrian victims, has been a driving force behind this case. Her expertise has been instrumental in pushing for the legal proceedings that led to the issuance of the warrant.
It is now the second time that the individual criminal responsibility of Bashar al-Assad himself is established after an independent investigation by judges on the war crimes committed in Deraa in June 2017.
The French warrant follows earlier measures taken by authorities in other countries, all working to address crimes committed since 2011. Investigations in France, Germany, and Sweden have all relied on evidence supplied by survivors and defectors.
It's really families of the disappeared, families of the deceased, direct victims, survivors of the torture of the regime. It's thanks to their courage and determination that all these proceedings were made possible.
Since his toppling and the Syrian transitional government taking power, Bashar al-Assad remains in exile in Russia under the protection of Russian authorities. Despite repeated appeals for his extradition from civil society and the Syrian government, he has yet to face prosecution.
But this situation could change, and of course, also it relies very much on the power of the call from Syrian population as a whole, Syrian authorities, but also Syrian population and victims to call for this to end and for Bashar al-Assad to be held accountable.
These legal proceedings mark another step toward accountability for the crimes committed during the Syrian conflict and the actions of its former regime.